And then from here, you can either work on tinker this. You would click tinker this if you're going to edit one of your other designs. Otherwise, you would click on create new design. I'll give you a blank workspace. So from here, I have my the blue sheet looking thing is work plane. The first thing you should always do is go down to edit grid. That way you can turn it from millimeters into inches. And then the presets for default should be Maker Bot Replicator Plus, because that's the printer that we use. That way the grid reflects the printer that we use. So a couple things, you can right click on your mouse and you can just rotate that way. That's a really easy way to kind of orbit around. Another thing with your mouse is just use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. Again, that's really helpful. I always recommend using a mouse when you're creating designs, when you're 3D designing. You could also use this cube. You can click on, just hold it, left click like a normal click. So let's take out 2 objects here. Okay. So let's say I am zoomed in, but I want to work on my red box. So I can click on it and then just click F on your keyboard and it'll refocus it. So that's a little trick. If I need to resize the box, I'm going to just click on the corners. If you just hover your mouse on the corner and click on it, you can click in the boxes and change the sides. So like 3 would be 3 inches in this case. I'm going to hide this. Okay. If you make a mistake and want to undo something, you can go click over here on the arrow, undo. You can also use Control Z. So either one works, Control Z or the little undo arrow. So to resize, you could also click and drag it if you wanted to. Click the little boxes to drag. Let's say I wanted to move this shape on top of this shape, then I would just use the little cone. Again, when I put my mouse on top of it, it turns red, so I know that I'm on it. You also see there's a little shadow underneath that I know that way it's hovering. You can also rotate and kind of see from that perspective also. So let's say I want to be a little more precise in my movements with my shapes. Let me put this down a little bit. So I might use my arrow keys on my keyboard. Go side to side. So you can go side to side and up and down and kind of move it, side to side that way.